Hello, today I'm going to be providing you with a short tutorial showing you how to connect your MetaQuest headset to the Studio X computers and enter Quest Link Mode. Quest Link Mode is useful when developing VR applications because it allows you to test your work without having to create a full build. It also allows you to play VR games from your computer and stream that information to the headset through a cable. First step you need to do is navigate to the Studio X folder on the desktop. Next, you should select the Oculus app. Once the app loads, select Login with email. If you are part of a class, you should have an email and password already provided to you. If you cannot find these, speak to whoever is currently working at the desk and they should be able to assist you. If you are not a part of a class, you may need to create a free account using your own email. Go ahead and select Continue and then Skip. After logging in, you may be prompted to update the Oculus app. Go ahead and select Update and follow the steps as prompted. After the initial update, you may be prompted to update your drivers. Go ahead and select Update and wait for the update to complete. After the update has completed, you may be told that you need to restart your computer. This is not the case. Select No, and you should be able to continue using the Oculus app as intended. As the final step in this process, you must ensure that Oculus is set as the active OpenXR runtime. This ensures that when we run VR in an app like Unity, Oculus is being used as opposed to other software such as Steam VR. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab, select General, and then select Set Oculus as Active. After you've done so, you can see it now says Oculus is set as the active OpenXR runtime. You are now ready to connect the headset to the computer. First off, turn on the VR headset. Next, plug it into the computer using one end of a USB-C cable and the other end plugged into your headset. Now, put on the VR headset. After plugging into the headset, you should see a small window pop up within the Quest headset. If you do not see this pop up, navigate to the Quick Settings by pressing the Oculus button, then go to the Quest Link button, and select Launch. Once the Quest Link environment loads, you are ready to use your headset with Quest Link mode enabled. As a final note, please keep in mind that any work done on Studio X computers will not be saved after logging out or restarting. So you will have to repeat this process each time you log on to the Studio X computers. Thank you for watching.